Hello, hello me, hi me. This is video number 27 for my 200 YouTube video challenge that I promised myself to upload in my YouTube channel for the year 2026. I have said in my previous video it's 200 because I was not able to complete the challenge that I have set for myself in 2025 to upload 100 videos in 2025. So, 100 from 2025 and another 100 for 2026. I have now 200 videos until December 31 to complete for myself. This is just a challenge I set for myself, and also this is a way for me to practice, improve my English. And maybe I have shared in my previous video that I started tutoring or teaching English. I'm not really teaching English, but yes, I'll use the word tutoring. Tutor, Tutor. English at Preply. It is a language learning app for people from all over the world where they can learn a new language. Yeah, so for today, this video doesn't really have a specific subject in mind, but maybe just to update you, which is also me. I am the same person creating the video, and I'm the only one watching my own videos. But yes, this helped me evaluate my own speaking, my own English, if this is improving, and we'll see in 6 months. No, maybe in after 3 months, I'll watch my first videos and see how I'm doing as an English speaker. English as a second language speaker. I also have created a TikTok account for English learning, but I'm not able to update it regularly because I'm busy. But right now it is Friday. It is 9 in the evening, and as of this moment, today I only have one class at Preply, and with one of the best students that I have. She is from Poland and she is a very smart woman. I really like her. I get to learn from her. She is a mother and a makeup artist from Poland, and she's one of my favorite students. I can say that she's one of my favorite students. Actually, I love all my students. All of them are my favorite. I also have one student from Romania. She's a lovely woman from Romania and I like her. She's kind. She has a very good persona, and I just love all my students. Although earlier I asked one student to cancel a lesson from me because I feel like I'm not the right tutor for her. So, and she also agreed that she will find another tutor, which is, I think, okay, that we were able to communicate and agree with the same thing professionally, and she understood. So I did not uh, go with the lesson, although it's priced at a $1 higher rate. I had to let her go because I'm just not comfortable teaching her. So yes, that's the update for this week. And my Preply journey has been doing good. I don't have a lot of students yet, but the regular students that I have, I enjoy having classes with them. I learn from them and I love them all. So if you are a student of mine at Preply and you happen to see this video, I just want you to know that I appreciate you so much. And yeah, today I got another review from one of my students. So I'm really happy. In general, this has been a really good week for me, although nothing is really new. I'm still not gainfully employed, but I hope I hope that if I could find, or maybe if this ESL teaching journey could support me, my livelihood, my dogs, my bills, I would love to make this as a full-time job. Although I got accepted at Bismates, I'm starting to complete my requirements at Bismates. I have, I feel, because I have to still do something, which is to register as a freelancer at BIR. I still need to do that. It's one of the requirements at Bismates. So next week I'll probably be busy. Um, yeah, doing the BIR thing as a freelancer. So good luck to me. And also, I hope to have more classes at Preply next week. I'm going to open some more slots for next week so I could start maybe adding new students. I increased my rate. I already increased my rate from $3 to $4. I think that $3 is really low. But since I'm a new tutor and it's what Preply recommended to me to start at $3, I did it, and after after five reviews and after successfully completing 100 lessons, I am increasing my rate to $4. And I really hope that everything will work out for me with Bismates. Not really work out, but with the registration of my being a freelancer at Bismates. I hope it wouldn't take me much time to complete everything. And what else? It is Friday, and the weather here in the Philippines has been cold, especially in the early morning, where usually most of my classes happen early in the morning at around 4, 5 in the morning. I have to wake up early for my classes with my students, one from Brazil and one from Poland. I'm okay with waking up early since I'm an early bird. I can wake up early, then sleep very late or work night shift. I I haven't tried working a full night shift, but I can maybe have classes until 12 in the evening. And I don't know what's happening to my phone. Maybe it's just saving batteries. And I hope the audio is clear enough. And I really wish that I could find some sources of income remotely to sustain my livelihood, because as of now, I don't dream of going back to the corporate to work. And if this video reach 1 million views, I won't go back working a 9 to 5 again, because I have just spent like half of my life working in the corporate. I think that I have done my best. I have given my best. Of course, I'm grateful for the experience. I feel like I have grown as a person, although I did not really achieve the goals that I have set for myself in this career. There's no career growth for me, and it's fine now that I realize that maybe I'm not for a corporate success. Maybe success is not for me in the corporate work, and I have accepted that. I have come to terms that it's not for me, so I won't force myself to work in the corporate anymore. But if I need to for practical reasons, of course I have to do that. I still have responsibilities. I have bills to pay, most importantly, because I'm still alive. I've come to a point where I got really, maybe I could use the word depressed, and I've got burnt out working in the corporate. So I temporarily I have to quit, and I hope there's a way for me to earn more money working remotely or working as an ESL tutor to supplement myself. And if that happens, I hope not to go back working a corporate job anymore. And maybe those who have worked in the corporate understands how I feel. I I've seen a lot of videos of people who have quit working in the corporate and they don't want to go back, and they just starting their own business and their journey where they are happy. And it's also the same with me. I am happy with what I'm doing right now, teaching English to people who want to learn to speak English as their second language. I love hearing people's stories, their journey, even a bit of a bit of some small things about their lives, sharing me about their children, their experiences. It makes me feel like I'm connected to the world, to the people around me, and that I'm not alone. And so I really hope that this will work for me. And if you happen to watch this video, whether you know me or you don't know me in person, I request that you pray for me to help me, yes, to finally sustain my life working as an ESL tutor, or maybe any remote work that I can do at home, because I can't go back to corporate right now. My psoriasis is acting up again. You can see it, but my scalp is very dry. My face is dry also because of the cold weather. I have flaky skin right now, especially my legs. They're so itchy. Yes, I think that's just the update for today. This is video number, what, 27? I forgot. I think 27. Let me just check my YouTube channel. Yes, this is video number 27, and I hope to create more videos soon with maybe a different topic so I could practice improving my vocabulary and fluency. So, I look pale in this video and I look old with my white hair, and but I feel beautiful because I just purchased a new ring light. It's there. So, see me again in the next videos and choose. Bye bye for now. Happy weekend, me. Happy weekend, me.